With this video, we're going to learn to add a 2-digit plus a 2-digit number, like 45 plus 37. If I have 67 donuts on a table, and then I go over to the oven and I grab out 25. In this donut factory, we make packs of 10 donuts, so when we send them to the supermarket, we always try and make a pack of 10. In 67, there's 6 full packets and 7 loose donuts. In 25, there's 2 packs of 10 and 5 loose donuts. Now I need to add them all together. I keep 67 whole, I don't split it up, and then I just add on the 20. 67 plus 20, that gives me 87 donuts. I just like to put a cross that tells me that I've already added it. And I've got 87 and I throw on the 5. Well, I know that it will take me, I need 3 more to make 90, which will be a full packet, and then I'll have 2 left over, so 92. 67 plus 25 equals 92. That's how we solve these types of problems.